Well, Anders Nilsson has won 6 of his last 8 starts with a sizzling .949 save percentage. Down the other end, it's Curtis McElhinney getting the call for Carolina as he's won his last 2 starts.
The Carolina Hurricanes, this season, try to track down a playoff spot in the Eastern Conference. They enter play tonight. 3 points behind Pittsburgh and Columbus for the last playoff spot. That just missed the stick of Magnus Paajarvi. Sebastian Aho brings it back now for the Hurricanes, drops it. And the shot by Justin Williams stopped by Anders Nilsson. And avoids the hit from Jordan Martinook. Now back at the point, right with a shot, it got through. Rebound, McElhinney has a look back, but made the save on Tkachuk in tight.
McElhinney knows he's got a chunk of it, but he's not sure if he's got all of it. He's able to keep it in front of the goal line.
Third period game winner in the first meeting of the year here at Canadian Tire Center. Bouncing puck in front, Williams fires again, and Nilsson had a look back, but got a piece of that puck. Shots are 6-3 Carolina here in the first period. Aho with a drive that sticks to Nilsson long enough to get a face-off.
They're playing desperate. Sebastian Aho's just going to step right in and throw this towards the net.
And it's picked up by Svechnikov. Chris crosses with McKegg. A backhand shot stopped by Nilsson. Drops it back for Chabot, who's jumped in. He shoots. It's blocked by Manalainen. Balcers wins that race to the loose puck. Now Chabot winds and fires. It goes off the leg. Ceci tees it up. Pad save, Mecklin. Rebound, score! Mark Stone swats at it. And Ottawa takes a 1-0 lead.
Right down to the front of the net. Now Curtis McElhinney's going to bat this out of the air, and so is Mark Stone. A little short bunt that goes past the blocker side of Curtis McElhinney. Mark Stone is available behind Brett Pesce for coverage, and he's able to just bat that down for the first goal of the game and his 26th of the season.
Martinook, rink wide for Svechnikov, working in, holds and shoots. Nilsson makes the stop, can't corral the rebound. Banks it around for Stone, trying to glove that down. Ceci steps up. Move back to center ice, knocked down by Teravainen. Drops it off to Wallmark, who tees it up and shoots. Nilsson got a glove on it, the puck still loose. Teravainen trying to center it. Back across to Stone, moves away from McGinn. Lays it down to White. Stone drops it back to Chabot. Works it and shoots. Pad save by McElhinney. And the rebound sent down the ice by McGinn. As Tkachuk works in, drops it back for Chabot. To Stone, tees it up and shoots. It dribbles down towards the goal, and McElhinney makes a great stop on the deflection. Ryan provides some interference there for Duchesne to work out. Hooks it back in front. Paajarvi, a backhand shot kicked away by McElhinney. And the lead pass goes to McGinn. Centering pass, and Niederreiter bats at it. That goes just wide. Game so far for Dougie Hamilton. Fan on a point shot, now falls to the blue line as Niederreiter works in around Jaros. Centers it, and Nilsson gets a pad down and makes the stop. Now a chance right in front. That shot just clipped by Nilsson as Martinook had moved in. Nilsson got a piece of it, and just enough to knock it wide.
Cody Ceci's pressured, and what a pass by Svechnikov to find Martinook. Backhand saucer, watch this. Drops it right on his skate to stick, and he tries to elevate it.
Ice time for games number 23. Long lead pass finds Dzingel. In comes Dzingel, shoots, and McElhinney got the tip of his glove on that. Lines it back to Borowiecki. Borowiecki shoots. McElhinney save, rebound. Zach Smith turned away in tight by McElhinney. Now Jaros tees it up, pad save again, rebound, loose in front, they scramble and score!
It's under review because Pageau does hit his left skate and slide into the right pad of McElhinney before it finds the back of the net. And we just have to see if that's a kicking motion.
After review, there was a kicking motion, so we have no goal on the play.
Here's Lajoie with it. Lajoie feeds that down to Ryan. Now Lajoie centers it, that bounced around in front as well. Dzingel pulls it free, Lajoie in, shoots, it goes off the leg of DeHaan. Here's Tkachuk, shoots from a sharp angle. McElhinney knocks it down. Chabot centers, Tkachuk with a chance. McElhinney the save, and he kicks away the rebound. And now Aho works his way in. Sebastian Aho in full stride. Off his skate, drops it back. Pesce shot. And that's kicked away. Brought back now by Dzingel as things open up here in the second period. A rink-wide pass to Dzingel from Ryan. Dzingel works back in, feeds it back across, and just missed Bobby Ryan. Ceci got bumped off the puck there by McKegg, who throws it rink wide to DeHaan. Calvin DeHaan tees it up and shoots. That deflected. Great pad saved by Nilsson. What a stop there with the left pad of Anders Nilsson.
Was that ever a 10-bell save? It changes direction because he has the long legs to reach out with the left pad and make a terrific save.
Was in last place in the overall standings a month ago. Smith drops it back for Pajot. Leaves it back, and that shot rattled high by Jaros. Drops it back to Falk. For Williams, works it and shoots through the traffic. Nilsson makes the stop. The rebound drops down. It's still loose. Nilsson can't find it. Teravainen shoots. What a stop by Nilsson.
That was a 10-beller board on the back door by Anders Nilsson. He identified the puck was loose. He fought for the rebound, but it slides back door for open net. He pushes across and uses the big body.
Can't do that when you're getting paid.
That's true.
Dougie Hamilton tees it up, sends it back in front. They score. Ferland on the tip, and the game is tied 16 seconds into the third period.
Gordievsky wants to go up the wall, little bouncing puck, but Ferland's going to throw it towards the net. Jaros can't slow it down. Hamilton on the back door. A beautiful little fake slapper. He rolls his wrist at the last second, sees the seam, and it bounces right onto the stick of Michael Ferland on the back door.
Dzingel. Up ahead to Ryan. In around Fogle. Ryan stays on it. Throws it back in front. Goes back to Harper. Shoots. Pad save by McElhinney. Works it down to Svechnikov. He's tied up by Smith. Svechnikov back with it. Works it back to DeHaan. Shoots through traffic, and Nilsson makes the glove save. Williams pulls it back in front. And Niederreiter sends it across. Just missed Justin Falk with that. And in front of the goal, Niederreiter was spilled. There will be a penalty against Ottawa, so this now a 5-on-3 for Carolina for 1 minute and 34 seconds.
Senators missed him dearly when he was out of the lineup for an extended stretch of time.
Ferland drops it back. Williams in, scores! Barred in for Justin Williams. A 5-on-3 goal, and Carolina takes a 2-1 lead.
Now it's all about the setup. Right in the middle of the ice. Now, Williams is going to get to the middle of the ice and mirror the puck and just turn and fire it.
Williams flips it back to Aho. Back down to Williams. To the goal mouth he goes. Niederreiter center, scores! Teravainen, another power play goal. And Carolina leads 3-1, and that'll come on the second of the 2 penalties of CC. So the long power play is over for the Hurricanes.
Justin Williams. Back to Aho down low on the half wall. And then just a quick one-timer by Teravainen inside the post past Anders Nilsson for a 3-1 lead. But their power play has been a difference so far.
Well, Harper, a shot that goes wide. Back to the other side of Ceci. Down to Duchesne. Matt Duchesne centers it to Dzingel. Turned away in tight. Another stop by McElhinney onto Dzingel.
I ended up jumping on a plane to join the New York Rangers, and they were in sell-off mode, put it that way.
Ferland for Teravainen, in, shoots, scores! Knocked down by Ferland. He finds Teravainen for his second, and it's 4-1 Carolina. And the Carolina Hurricanes are now 10-2-1 in the last 13 games, and they creep within a point of the final playoff spot in the Eastern Conference, scoring 4 times in the third period for a 4-1 win over Ottawa.
Gord, it was a sound effort by the Carolina Hurricanes in the third period that really grabbed this game and delivered 2 points.